Boot JMS pros 1. Boot JMS pros 01. What application? Sender application. What application, guys? Sender application. Okay, that's good. Maven, all these are fine. Spring Boot JMS. Say next. Yeah, what is the starter I have to add, guys? The starter I have to add is, okay, what is that? Spring Boot starter Act2MQ. Spring Boot starter Act2MQ. Spring Boot starter Act2MQ. Is there now, guys? Act2MQ. Fine. Say finish. Spring Boot starter Act2MQ. Where is this? Where is this? Yeah. First, connect to Act2MQ software. Connected to Act2MQ software. What are the keys we got, guys? Spring.act2mq.broker.url, user and password. Spring.act2mq.broker URL. What URL? Broker. TCP:// what is there? Localhost. What is there, guys? Localhost. 61, what is there? 616. That's a URL, guys. Act2MQ dot, what is there? User admin. Act2MQ dot, what is there? Password. Password, what is there? Admin. We are dealing with what? Username admin, password admin. Okay. Yeah, tell me. Make the messaging model as what model? PTP model. Make the messaging model as what? PTP model. We have to take the messaging model as what? PTP model. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Make the messaging model as what? PTP model. Tell me how to deal with this PTP model, guys. How to deal with this PTP model. Okay. What is the key we have got? Spring.jms.pub subdomain. What is there? Pub subdomain false. Spring.jms.pub subdomain false. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Connect to ActiveMQ software. Spring.jms.pub subdomain what? False. Okay, tell me. So here I am developing one runner class. New package. What is there? com.nt.runners. Yeah. Through auto configuration, we get what? JMS template. And JMS template makes life easy, guys. Okay. Sender application runner. Okay. Tell me how to make this one as a runner, guys. Yeah. Command line runner. What is that? Command line runner. At the rate component. At the rate component. Okay. What is next one? Private JMS template. What is there? Private JMS template. At the rate auto void. Yeah. JMS template at the rate auto void. Template dot send. Test MQ1. Template dot text MQ1. What is there? We have to go for what? Actually, message creator is there. In that one method is there. We have to work with that method or not there, guys? Yeah, tell me. Message dot. Okay, see, what is there? We have to write lambda expression for this. We have to write lambda expression for this. Check it out. This is there like this. You get the session object. Using that session object, you create a message and complete this one. Okay. Yeah, tell me. Yarrow session dot create what? Text message. What is there? Create a text message. Here. From sender. I am not keeping any serious message. New date of. From sender, new date of. From sender, new date of. Yes, boss? Control plus shift plus. Java.util.date. Okay, just tell. Okay, from sender, new date of. Yeah. We are ready with the sender now, boss. But before running this, I have to keep ActiveMQ software ready. I have to keep ActiveMQ software ready. Now let me keep ActiveMQ software ready, guys. Yeah, tell me, what is there? What is there, my dear? Come on. D drive, ActiveMQ, this. Tell me what is there? Yeah, bin folder, 64. ActiveMQ.batch, run as what? Administrator. Run as admin. Okay, now let me keep its console ready, boss. I'll keep its what? Console ready. It is not 8161, guys. It's running on which port number? It's running on which port number, guys? 6. No, admin port number is different. No, admin port number is different. Its admin port number is different. Its admin port number is what? Different. Eight one six. 816. Server is started or not started? Active MQ. What happening, guys? Bin min64 active MQ dot batch. Run as administrator. It was running nicely yesterday. Now what happened? That Java version issue solved. It was not running today. When this one active MQ run as administrator. Some exception is coming, guys. Server got stopped. Address already bound. That means already started one is still running mode, guys. Nothing is there. Go to services.msc. Go to services.msc. Active MQ. Active MQ. It is not showing any active MQ. But where it is running, on which port number it is running. Very interesting, guys. On which port number it is running. Here it is not showing anything. Active MQ. Is there anything called active MQ? No. But how come it's saying? Okay, when this kind of situation comes, control plus shift plus. No. Control plus shift alt plus. What is this? What is this? Yeah, I want task manager. Alt shift, alt shift delete. Why it is not coming, guys? Alt shift delete. Hey, I think some Java code is in running mode, guys. What's happening? Why it is not responding basically? Or I want to get the task manager, Babu. Okay, is there any option of getting task manager? Yes. Okay, I'm taking what? Task manager. Let me type Java. There are two things related to Java. I'm killing both. Killing maybe some two Java related things are there. Active.mq.bat run as Java administrator. Hey, where is address already bound? Where it is bound? It is saying address already bound, but it is not telling which one is bound. Shit. Some port number is busy. Yes, port number is busy. It is showing this. Yesterday we are able to start. Today it is giving problem. No, that's what I'm trying to search. It is not showing any service of that. Apache. Generally, that port number should not be that much busy, guys. 8161 is not a fancy number also. Okay, MQ messaging service is not in start mode. Active MQ. It is not allowing. రేపు కలుద్దాం అని చెప్పి. రేపు 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 బెటర్ రిలేటివ్స్ ఉన్నారు ఇంట్లో రిలేటివ్స్ ఉన్నారు రేపు. What's happening, guys? The software that is started yesterday, today is not giving hand. Is there any position of changing port number? Let me check. I think all are batch file. We cannot even change port number, but let me try. Open with no, it's giving port number already bound. How to kill that port number? Fine. It's clearly saying na was port number already there. See, address already in what? Bound. Maximum connections, IO exceptions. Okay. No, there's no need of. ChatGPT. How to kill any process from command prompt based on port number. Find and kill. Natstat find str 8080. How to kill that? Task kill. What is there? Task kill. The process ID comes, guys. That process ID you have to kill. Task kill / PID. Process ID. What is there? 1234/F. That means kill it. Let's kill it. First, you have to get the process ID, na boss. Natstat ANO / find str 8161. Okay, go to command prompt. Natstat -A. It will give all the port numbers that are occupied, na boss. It will give list of all the port number that are occupied. Yes, it's still going to give, guys, 8161. 8161 comes, but it takes time. Tell me. Natstat. Let me search for the command first. It's a rarest situation. Sometimes it comes, we cannot do anything. Copy this. Say paste. Yeah, tell me. 8161. natstat-a. It is not saying that is busy. It is saying that is not busy. 8161, it is not saying it's busy, guys. 8161 only na port number. Okay, that might have killed, guys. Let me try once again. D try active-mq this. What is there? Bin win64 active-mq dot batch. I think some other port number is busy. Maybe it's a dependent port number is busy, guys. Not main port number. One of its dependent port number is busy. Fine, that's not okay. I'll do one thing. Okay, Apache app. I'll try with this bin directory win64 active-mq dot batch. Run as Java application. Okay, it was running, guys. 5.x is having problem, but 6.0 is not having any problem. Okay, now let me check. HTTP 8161. Uh, uh, no, it's not a Java version saying port number problem. Address already in bind. Java 21, that's perfect. It's not about software, guys. It's somewhere that port number is what? Busy. But if I'm trying to find out 8161, it is not giving. natstat-a. Any port number of 8161 is busy, guys? No. What is this, guys? Yeah, once in a while that happens, guys. To change the port number of conf SAS activems.xml. Here is the port number, right? 61616. Jetty.xml for other one. Okay, we'll try that. ActiveMQ conf. What are this? First what? Jetty.xml, guys. Control E. Okay, 8161. I'll take 8262. What is that? 8262. Yeah, what's another file? What's another file I have to take? What is there? ActiveMQ.xml. Yeah, what is there? 61616. 62626. Save this, guys. ActiveMQ is giving hand rub. Now you try. Guys, online students. No, we are trying to change, guys, but it is not. Fine, I think I have to restart the computer once, guys. Maybe somehow yesterday it one run not shut down properly, it seems. I think I have to restart computer. Please rejoin again, guys. No, reinstallation does not solve the problem because reinstall means default port numbers again comes, but it's saying port number is already occupied. It's nowhere related to reinstallation. It is related to what? Restarting. Okay, online student, please join again. I'm leaving the meeting.